we are going to see the experiment of simulation and experimental verification of electrical circuit problems using Kirchhoff voltage and current laws. Kirchhoff current law, first we can see the apparatus required for this experiment, and as per the circuit diagram I have framed the apparatus required here, that is RPS, regulated power supply, resistors in this range, ammeter, voltmeter, breadboard and connecting wires. And here Kirchhoff current law is a law which states that sum of currents entering a node is equal to the sum of the current leaving the same node. Else we can also say it as algebraic sum of current at a node is equal to 0. Then circuit diagram for Kirchhoff current law is given as like this, and we can see the problem which I have solved for Kirchhoff current law. See, this is the circuit diagram, and by considering the loop 1 I have framed the KVL, and considering the loop 2 I have framed the KVL, and in the center there is a I3 current, and if we subtract this I3 with respect to I1, and we can get the I2 current. By substituting these equations in 1 and 2 I can get the current values like this. And as per this I have connected the resistors in breadboard, and I can write the readings practically in this tabular column, and also by theoretical calculations also I can get the values like this. Okay, this is observation value, this is the theoretical value. And now this is a circuit for Kirchhoff voltage law, and Kirchhoff voltage law states that the algebraic sum of the voltages in a closed loop is 0, and here also I have solved the problems Kirchhoff voltage law. See, here there is an RPS and there are 3 voltages connecting to the as per the with respect to each resistance, and therefore I have found the first total resistance and total current. With respect to the total current, see, in series circuit the currents are same, therefore I have found the voltage across 3 resistance. And by this circuit diagram, okay, as per this circuit diagram I have connected the breadboard connections, and I have found the readings also in theoretical calculations like this, and in observation table, and also from problem I have found the theoretical calculations. Thus we can see the KVL and KCL, and also there is we have to find the simulation and experimental verification. Now we have seen the simulation model, and now we are going to see the experimental simulation model using MATLAB. Using MATLAB I have already drawn the simulation diagram like this, but for that we have to open the MATLAB. This is the MATLAB window. Here we have to click new simulation model, and here we can see the library browsers like this, and from the library browsers we have to select the blocks which we want to use, and by this way I have connected already KCL for KCL, and by running the circuit we can get the output like this. Similarly we can change the resistance value here, and also the DC voltage value here, and we can see the variations of readings. And for KVL also I have drawn the circuit here. Similarly here also we can change the resistance values like this, and we can get the different outputs. And now I am running the KVL, and here also I have got the output. Thus the both the experimental verification and simulation model of KVL and KCL has verified. Thank you, students.